Matt Eastlake, the founder and coach at Interview Performance. And in this short video, I'm going to take you through the behavior changing and improving, which, as I'm sure you're aware, is one of the 9 civil service success profiles. So what I'm going to do is provide you with insights and a framework you can use to build answers for interview questions. And also, if you happen to need to write a 250-word application example, hopefully you'll have some ideas and a framework to do that. As I've said in the other videos of this series covering civil service behaviours, the essential framework for how you demonstrate and communicate your understanding of changing and improving is the same regardless of the grade that you are interviewing for. It's just at that point the complexity of the example that you select, which is going to hopefully be greater and therefore demonstrate your seniority, which could be more that you're strategic in the change, transformational leader, leading others, taking people with you on the journey and delivering through others. Changing and improving refers to the way we instinctively look at the things we're doing, the processes we use, the way we're going about our work. And as an employee, hopefully we naturally think of ways to improve that process or system or the way we do things so as to become more efficient and effective. So in short, we see ways to change for the better and anticipate what needs to happen in order to infect and embed it. STAR, obviously with a C, I add the C in, STCAR, describes the challenges faced by your task. That's where the C comes in. So let's think about a situation that's arisen where you believe change is necessary. And your task was to resolve or capitalize on that situation to implement that change. But you're going to be faced with one or more of these challenges, which you need to tell the panel or the reader. Number one, people often dislike or are wary of change. In other words, we've tried this before, it didn't work. Or what's wrong with the way we do things right now? It's always worked. Or I do things this way. I don't see the need to change. So that's one challenge. Another challenge could be embedding a change is usually more difficult than implementing it. We've got to get people to actually take this on board. Transformational leaders do that very well. Number 3, gaining support and buy-in from colleagues can also be difficult. Number 4, getting the necessary support from key departments, possibly IT. You may need technology. So faced with these and possibly other challenges unique to your situation, you've now got to demonstrate how you overcame them to deliver on that task. Number 1, clarify what the changes are, why it's necessary, and do your homework and research so that you can present information to others in support of your idea. Number 2, identify who will change, who the change will impact, and why they might push back. Number 3, sell the idea into the wider team or organization, engender support, use your network to get everybody on board and embrace that idea. Number 4, identify any risks in the process if anything should go wrong. What is the impact likely to be? When would you know that things have gone wrong? What alternatives have you prepared? Action number 5, help and support others through the change. Maybe learning new skills or techniques, maybe training aids, or at a very junior level, sit with colleagues who initially find a new approach difficult. But ultimately, after all of these actions, you need to prove the result was not only worth the effort, but that you understand the importance of always horizon scanning for ways to improve performance for everybody. So I think this gives you a concise, easy to relate to framework, which will help you build a strong answer or demonstration, which will prove you see and seize on opportunities. If you would like to chat about your application or interview, just contact me by clicking the link to book a free consultation. It's a no obligation chat, helps me understand your needs, and I can set out how I can help. If you felt this video is helpful, please like it, follow my channel, and see you in the next video. But also look out for the video with quickfire changing and improving questions. And thanks very much for watching.